Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all keeping well. Stay home and eat lots of healthy food. Today teacher is here with yet another concept time session, and in today's session we are going to talk about yummy fruits. Okay, so teacher is going to tell you a lot of things about different fruits. Let's see which all fruits teacher has for you today.
Children, can you recognize this fruit? What is the name of this fruit? Yes, this is watermelon. What is this? This is watermelon. What is the color of the watermelon from outside? The watermelon is green in color from outside. But look, when you cut the watermelon, what do you see inside? Inside, the watermelon is red in color. So children, this fruit is called a watermelon, and the watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. And watermelon is a big sized fruit. Remember children, the watermelon is a big sized fruit. Okay, now let's see which fruit is this. This is called a sweet lime. What is this? This is a sweet lime. The sweet lime is also green in color. But the sweet lime looks different from the watermelon. It also tastes different from the watermelon. So which fruit is this, children? This is a sweet lime. Okay, now let's see which fruit do we have next. This is a guava. What is this? This is a guava. The guava is also green from outside. But when we cut the guava, we see that the guava is white from inside. Yes, children, the guava looks green from outside, but when we cut, we see it is white from inside. Now, the next fruit is pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. Yes, very good. This is a pineapple. The pineapple looks different from all the other fruits. See, the pineapple has many thorn-like pointed structures on its body. The pineapple has many thorn-like pointed structures on its body, and it has a crown of green leaves on its head. The pineapple looks yellow from inside. When you cut the pineapple, it looks yellow from inside. And now children, which fruit is this? Yummy, tasty, grapes. Yes, these are grapes. The grapes are small in size and they are green in color. So remember children, grapes are small in size and they are green in color. So today we got to see so many fruits.
So children, we have learnt about so many different types of fruits today. Now, teacher is going to tell you an interesting story about some fruits. Teacher knows you all like to listen to story, right? Yes, so teacher is going to tell you a very interesting story about some fruits. So what you will have to do, children? You will have to sit quietly and listen to teacher properly when she is narrating the story. And today the name of our story is Watermelon Goes to the Park. So come on, let's sit quietly and listen to the story attentively.
One day, Apple and Banana were playing in the park. Suddenly, they heard somebody crying.
Apple and Banana looked around and saw it was a watermelon. They asked him, "Watermelon, why are you crying? What happened?" Watermelon said, "I fell off when I was playing. My leg is paining. I want to go home, but I can't get up. Will you please help me?" Apple and Banana said, "Yes, sure." They tried to help Watermelon get up, but they could not as it was too big. So they decided to call somebody to help. Mango and Chiku were playing in the park too. So Apple and Banana went to them and said, "Watermelon fell off when he was playing. His leg is paining. He cannot get up. Will you come with us to help him?" "We will help you," said Mango and Chiku. Apple, Banana, Mango and Chiku tried to help Watermelon get up, but they could not. "Now what should we do? Let's see if we can find somebody else," Apple said. "I will go and call someone else for help." Apple went looking for someone and he saw Orange, Grape and Sweet Lime sitting on the bench. Apple went to them and said, "Watermelon fell off while he was playing. His leg is paining. He cannot get up. Will you come with us to help him?" Apple, Banana, Mango, Chiku, Orange, Grape and Sweet Lime tried to help Watermelon get up, but they still could not. "Now what we should do? Let's see if we can find somebody else," Apple said. "I will go again and call somebody for help." Apple again went looking for someone and he saw Guava and Pineapple on the seesaw. Apple went to them and said, "Watermelon fell off while he was playing. His leg is paining. He cannot get up. Will you come with us to help him?" Apple, Banana, Mango, Chiku, Orange, Grape, Sweet Lime, Guava and Pineapple tried hard and pulled Watermelon. At last, they helped the Watermelon get up and go home. So children, did you like the story? Watermelon Goes to the Park? You liked it? Very nice. Okay, come on. Now teacher is going to ask you a few questions from the story. Hope you have listened to the story attentively. Yes? Okay. So now you try to answer these questions which teacher is going to ask you. Okay, now can you tell me what was the color of the banana in the story? Yes, you are right. The banana is yellow in color. The color of the banana fruit is yellow. Very nice. Okay, now comes the next question. Can you tell teacher which was the biggest fruit in the story? Yes, you are right. The biggest fruit in the story was the watermelon. That is why the other fruits were not able to help the watermelon get up, because the watermelon was very big in size. So remember children, the fruits all look different from one another. They look different. They also taste different. But fruits are all very healthy. We must eat lots of fruits. We must eat a fruit every day. Okay, now before we end our session today, teacher is going to sing a rhyme for you. A rhyme about two fruits. So come on, stand up and do it along with teacher. There was a queen so far away, Guavas green she ate all day. King came home and said hello. Eat the pineapples yellow. You like the song? Okay, come on, let us do it one more time together. There was a queen so far away. Guavas green she ate all day. The king came home and said hello. Eat the pineapples yellow. So children, did you all enjoy today's concept time session? Yes? Then tell teacher, yes teacher. Okay, very well done children. So, we will end our session here today and teacher will meet you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay at home and stay fit.